Creating your first YouTube video. YouTube, a leading social media platform, is an excellent starting point for aspiring video creators. It offers both entertainment and the revenue potential. This guide provides essential tips for creating your first YouTube video, covering content creation strategies, necessary equipment, video editing software, and promotional methods. Starting your YouTube channel, essential tips. Creating YouTube videos requires a clear content plan, a solid strategy, and an understanding of your video's purpose. Here are some tips to help you get started. Pick a topic. Decide on the focus of your videos or channel. Choose subjects you are passionate about and knowledgeable about. Popularity won't last if you aren't genuinely interested or skilled in the topic. Create videos that solve specific problems for your audience, leveraging your unique skills and experiences. For example, share DIY projects, craft ideas, or skateboarding tips. Focusing on a niche topic can help you build a dedicated audience. Tips for starting your YouTube channel. Choosing a topic. Identify what people are searching for on YouTube. Optimize your content for search engines by researching keywords and auto-suggestions. Avoid copying competitors too closely to maintain unique content. Understanding your audience. Determine who your viewers are, their interests, and their demographics. Knowing your audience helps build a strong connection and improves communication. Finding your style and format. Develop your unique narration style and stick to it for consistency. Choose a video format that suits your content, whether it's a review, tutorial, or story. Starting and staying consistent. Don't wait for perfect conditions to start. Set a start date and deadline. Publish videos regularly to maintain your audience, using tools like Onlapult to schedule posts. Essential equipment for starting your YouTube channel. You don't need expensive professional equipment to create high-quality YouTube videos. A smartphone suffices to begin with. Basic equipment. Camera/smartphone. Modern smartphones offer excellent picture, 1080p, and sound quality. High-end cameras like the OBSBot Tail Air streaming camera provide superior quality if needed later. Start with what you have and focus on using various angles, effects, and transitions. Invest in more advanced gear once you're confident in your video making skills. Essential equipment for YouTube beginners. Microphone. Invest in a good microphone to ensure clear sound quality, which simplifies audio editing later. Lighting kit. While natural daylight is best, a lighting kit is useful for indoor shooting in low-light conditions. Video editing software. Start with simple software that has an intuitive interface. Advanced programs can be overwhelming for beginners. Additional tools. Use a webcam and screen recording software for computer tutorials or webcam recordings. Smartphone cameras also offer built-in video-enhancing tools and effects. Preparing to shoot your YouTube video. Choose a location. Find a well-lit, quiet place free from interruptions. Use a lighting kit if needed to improve video quality. Write a script. Outline actions with time codes and brief explanations. Include key ideas and hints to structure your video and aid improvisation. Set up the shooting spot. Keep the area clean and uncluttered. Use a plain background with a touch of individuality. Position your camera at eye level, preferably next to, but not in front of, a window. Once everything is ready, start shooting your first video. Editing your YouTube video. 1. Transfer and edit *. Move your raw footage to your computer for editing. Good editing can elevate your video, making it essential despite being time-consuming. 2. Use suitable software *. Movavi Video Editor is a brilliant choice, offering tools like chroma key, stabilization, picture-in-picture, voiceover, effects, transitions, stickers. 3. Intuitive interface **. The user-friendly interface requires no special skills. Easily learn how to edit with the built-in tutorial. Editing your YouTube video, steps and tips. Initial editing. Divide your raw video into segments. Remove mistakes and bloopers. Arrange the remaining clips according to your script. Add titles and transitions. Use 1 or 2 types of transitions for consistency. Apply minimal video effects for a clean look. Subtitles and annotations. Add subtitles to make your video accessible and viewer-friendly. Use annotations for instructional content and explanatory details, placing text in the lower third of the screen. Create an intro. Use a consistent intro as your signature. Keep intros short to maintain viewer interest. Customize ready-made intros. Check out my videos at https://youtube.be/l3qc04twggq. Finalizing your YouTube video. Add audio. Include royalty-free music, sound effects, and voiceovers. Use high-quality audio to enhance the viewer experience. Adjust volume levels and eliminate noise to ensure clarity. Create an outro. Add a call to action, CTA, like subscribe, linking to your channel. Consider including links to your website, other channels, or future playlists. Save and export. Save your project frequently to avoid data loss. Export in the correct format and ratio, and with an SEO-friendly title. Use software features to upload directly to YouTube if available. Promoting your YouTube video. Boosting visibility. Use target keywords in your title and description. Avoid misleading information. Aim for videos around 15 minutes long. Mention the topic clearly in the video. Create content that encourages viewers to stay on the platform. Make a strong introduction to hook viewers. Encourage subscriptions and shares. Customize your thumbnail to reflect the video content. Engaging your audience. Reply to all comments and add reactions to engage viewers. Interact with your audience to build a community. Listen to feedback and use it for future video ideas. Monetizing your YouTube channel. Once you have a sizable audience, consider these monetization strategies. Ads. Enable ads to earn revenue from views. YouTube Partner Program. Join to access special features, if you meet the requirements. Sponsored content. Partner with sponsors for direct payment, bypassing YouTube's cut. Combine methods. Use a mix of ads, sponsorships, and partner features to maximize earnings. Remember, your first video doesn't need to be perfect. Starting is the most important step to improving your skills. Don't wait for the perfect moment, begin now. If you enjoyed my video, subscribe to my channel CyberTheo for future videos. For some great information and software to make videos, check information on https://tinyurl.com/y6fh9fcu to get to Movavi. Please subscribe and check out my links below.